3 modulus x plus 2 is less than or equal to the modulus of 2x minus 1. Let's use properties of logs and take the 3 inside the modulus. So we get 3x plus 6 modulus is less than or equal to the modulus of 2x minus 1. Now let's draw these two lines then. Let's draw 2x minus 1 first. Let's put an intercept, say, here, and draw a gradient of 2. But because that's gradient 3, I'm not going to draw it very steep and use an appropriate scale. So there's our line 2x minus 1. We know it flips around here, reflects to get the positive values of the line, because it's the modulus. So we can remove this now for the purposes of the sketch. And we've got a 1, that's a 1. This part of the line is the line 2x minus 1. And this side of the line, on this side here, is minus 2x minus 1 in a bracket. Okay, that's that modulus done. Now we need the modulus 3x plus 6, which is steeper. So let's have a go at that one. Plus 6 is up here, but for the purposes of the sketch, I'm just going to put it just there, and it's a steeper line. So I'm going to draw a steeper line in here now than the one I drew previously, so that we can see what we've got. So there we go. So now we need to reflect this upwards, and it's a steeper line than the one before, so they cross up here somewhere. Now we can get rid of this side. And this line here now, on this side, this part here is the line, that line there is the line 3x plus 6. And this half line that's here is the half line minus 3x plus 6. Just that segment of the line there. Okay, so when is this orange line underneath or equal to the grey line? Well, here's the values where of interest, isn't it? So I'm going to put them in and drop them down because it's in between these two bounds. So label that A, label this one B. So we need to solve for A and B and find those intersection values. For A then, so here's A. It's when that line there, which is minus 3x plus 6 is equal to, so that line is that line, the minus 2x minus 1. So when does that equal that? Drop the minuses. Move the 2x over here and becomes take away, doesn't it? So 3 take 2 is 1. And then minus 1, move the 6 over to be a minus 6, totaling minus 7. X equals minus 7. So that value there is minus 7. Now the other value here, what value is that? It's when this part of the line, which is 3x plus 6, is equal to this part of the line, which is minus 2x minus 1. So expand this bracket in our mind's eye as minus 2x, move it over here to be with the 3x, makes 5x, minus times minus is a plus, move that to minus 6, 1 takes 6 is minus 5, 1 takes 6 is minus 5, and then divide by 5 both sides, x is minus 1. So there's our two values. So we said we're interested in the region and here where the orange, this modulus, lies underneath side the grey here, and that was between A and B, wasn't it? It can touch the values A and B. So we have then that we're between minus 7 and minus 1, and we can touch both endpoints, can't we, because of the less than or equal to.